does a quadrilateral look like? What is a quadrilateral? Oh. Alright, scholars, freeze. Still waiting. Scholars, listen carefully what I need you to do. Pencils are down, still waiting for one crack. Still waiting for one crack. Still waiting. Okay, scholars, I need you to do this silently, safely, and quickly. I need you to put all materials back in your baggies, make a stack on the green table, and come with your worksheets to your rubber spot. The only worksheet you need to bring is your Finding Angles worksheet. Go. Right away, I'm noticing how silent it is as we're doing this transition. So one is working together. They're working off their back. scholars, I went around and I noticed that a lot of scholars were reworking and looked back at their finding angle stuff to really make sure that we're finding angles. So one thing that I thought we would do is I made a chart that's different size angles. So it's really looking at the different angles that we talked about and the objects that we found. I'm going to call in students. I may have asked you or not. I'm going to call in students to share the angles that they found and the objects that worked with them. And we're going to move quickly through it. So let me show you what I want you to do when you come up. So I want you to draw what the angle looks like. Inside a right angle. And one thing that I noticed that had a right angle was the whiteboard. So I'm going to draw the angle and the object that had that. So looking for a silent hand, drawing our right angle. And remember, the right angles can be in different positions by yourself. Go ahead and draw what our right angle looks like. The number line. What do you mean by the number line? So the ends of the number line are a right angle. Sign of connection if you agree. Yeah, great job, Marisol. Thank you. All right, scholars, I'm going to try to move quickly, so we're going to move on. Looking for one person to tell me to draw an angle that's less than 90 degrees and find an object that they found that has that angle. Jorge, I remember talking to you about this. Draw what the angle looks like, and then tell me what you found that looks like that. Teacher scholars for showing self-control. Give me the papers in your box. The small v. Scholars, if we look at our small v, is it a big angle or is it a small angle? It's a small angle. It's less than 90 degrees. Thank you, Jorge. All right, now this one was tricky. Looking for a scholar to draw an angle that's greater than 90 degrees, and they're going to tell me the object that they found. Jeremiah, want to give it a try? Are you very sure? Scholars, please pay close attention because a lot of friends had confusion with this one. So what does your greater than 90 degree angle look like? Draw it on the sheet. What did it look like? Is that angle greater than 90 degrees? Yeah. If I hold up my L, does it fit? No. So it's not greater than 90 degrees. What degree angle is it? 90. It's a 90. But we can still work with this. How can we fix this to make it greater? 1. You can move it more back. Do you want to come up to the board and show Jeremiah which direction it's going to move? Scholars, pay close attention. Because I saw a lot of friends were confused with this. Alright, Juan, can you tell me why you chose to make that line go more back?
I chose to make it like that because then when I did that, it would have made more than 90 degrees.
It would have made a greater 90 degrees. So let's move this way, boys, that way friends can see. So scholars, look, and I saw Jeremiah was putting in that right angle. If you put in your right angle, you can see the angle doesn't fit. It's objects were there that were bigger than 90 degrees that you saw there, Maya? Thank you, Connie. Thank you for seeing. This one was tricky. But there are some here. What letter did you see? It's even one that we talked about.
A letter that had greater than 90 degrees was, I think, U.
I don't know about you. Let's come back to that. We're going to take your seats. So, scholars, I'm going to actually go back to that. So I also was looking around for angles that were bigger or smaller than 90 degrees. And one that I actually found that came up one is one that we talked about this morning, an X. So I thought it was really weird that the letter X has these really big angles in the middle. And then I said, I wonder if I can find an object that's really big but has a small angle. So I looked around the classroom and I found the stapler. And if I look at the stapler, look, it's a small angle. The angle is smaller than 90 degrees. So I thought to myself, Jeffrey's sitting up in contrary position. I thought to myself, how can such big object and such small objects, like the X, have angles that are bigger or smaller than 90 degrees? Does anyone have an idea? Predictions and educated guesses are okay. Dahlia?
I think because of their angles.
What about their angles?
If the big angle fits in the small X, and I think about their sizes.
So it might have to do with sizes.
Like the X, no, I think like about the spots, like it was like the thing where the angle is in the X, like all those things have the size of the sizes of angle.
So it depends on the size of the angle. Okay.
And the item, where the angle
So
goes.
it depends on the item where the angle goes and the size of the angle. Okay. Now wait, why do you think that happened? That the stapler is such a big item and it has such a small angle?
Maybe because of the distance.
Maybe because of the distance? Tell me more about that. What do you mean?